Alright, today we are going to be learning one simple trick to take your piano playing to the next level. Now, this tutorial is designed for intermediate players, but if you're new to the keys, don't worry, that's alright. This is a universal tip that you'll be able to master as you go. Now, let's get started on the piano. So, if you know your way around the block, you'll know how to find your B. That's right here. Simple, clean, pleasant B. Now, just to get started, we're going to finger our B like this. This might be a new thing for you, so just get used to fingering your B. Now, if you're like most of us, you'll spend years on the keys without exploring the full potential of your B. And what we're going to do today is something new, something funky, something somewhat controversial, a new way to play with your B. So if you've made it this far, I assume you know how to find a D. So what we're going to do today is take that D and stick it right in our B. Pretty funky, right? D in the B. Now, I know it sounds strange and foreign at first, but trust me, anytime I go at it and I stick a D right in my B, it always goes over really well. When you first get started, it's going to feel a little awkward when you start putting that D in your B, but I mean, we're pretty much indeed fooling around with minors, given what belongs in the B here. Just explore the possibilities, go at it with an open mind, and I promise it'll change your playing forever. Now, you can try to put a little subtle D in your B, or you can go ahead and throw a big massive D in your B. It just depends on what the mood is, what you're going for. Also, a fun trick to try in groups. I have some friends that come over to jam, and anytime they present me with a B, I go ahead and surprise them by shoving a D in it. Now, one exception to this cool trick I've found is anytime anybody is playing G sus, the D and the B does not go over well. They just really seem to have a problem with it. Either way, I hope this quick tip helps. Go at it with an open mind, and for some extra speed and precision, feel free to put some lubrication on your D. Alright, that's all for today. Next week I'll be showing you guys how I like to utilize an F in my A. This has been one simple trick to take your piano playing to the next level.